In this video, we're going to explore how to install Cribl Edge onto a Linux server using the Bootstrap command functionality inside the Cribl Leader UI. So let's get started by clicking on the Manage Edge button, and I'm going to view all of my fleets. You can see I've already created some fleets here, and we want to deploy to the Linux fleet. So let's go to the Edge Nodes tab at the top. Click on the Add Update Edge Node button and choose Add from the Linux dropdown. You can see pre-populated list of settings for the installer. Let's run this as root, not best practice, but okay, and install to the Linux fleet. I've copied the command to my clipboard, and I'm going to switch to the terminal, paste the command, and run the Bootstrap. You can see it will download the Cribl software automatically, set up to run under systemd, and start the service. Now back in the Cribl Leader UI, when I refresh the list of nodes, you can see that the Edge node has appeared here and has downloaded its initial configuration. So now that the Edge node is up to date on its configuration version, let's click the blue link to teleport to the machine and explore some of the functionality of Cribl Edge. I can see the list of running processes and additional metadata about the processes. I can browse the file system, automatically discover files being written to based on an allow list manually, or browse the file system. In this case, let's look at the messages. I click on View and I can see the contents of this file. I can also view the health of the system from CPU, memory, events, and the Cribl internal logs themselves. That's it. Easy to set up Cribl Edge on Linux. Now let's get some data.